In this video, I will demonstrate the procedure for clearing the data cache on an iPhone. Let us commence. The data cache on an iPhone is temporary data stored by applications. To clear the data cache, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and select an app. Tap on Offload app. Tap on Reinstall app to reinstall the app. Repeat steps for all apps to clear their cache. This process will effectively clear the data cache on your iPhone. Thank you for your attention.